their first glimpse of this girl coach.
Hologram Queen.
This is a country where gun store owners are given a list of stolen credit cards, but not a list of criminals and maniacs. And now they're thinking about banning toy guns, and they're gonna keep the fucking real ones!
Might be another added nut to this bitch. It might be an added nut
On the day that you were born, the angels came from heaven and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled stardust in your hair, and then you washed it out with Selsun Blue. Yo, this message is for all those pinche cabrones that complain about Star Wars, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're only paying $7.99. You're only paying $7.99 for a 5-hour movie, if you think about it. You're not paying $20 to go see a 2-hour movie. You're paying $7.99 for a month. You don't want to see it, don't see it. Instead, you want to make it a more exciting story, go get your Star Wars monitos and videotape it and then show it to us. Let's see how exciting it is. Cabrones ingratos.